So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disconnect Zoho Lens from your Zoho CRM account. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and after that select this profile icon right here. Now select Access Zoho CRM. Now just select the settings icon and select Zoho option. Now scroll down till the last and select Manage button of Zoho Lens. Now you guys can see this option right here called Revoke, and after selecting it, you guys now have successfully disconnected Zoho Lens from your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.